Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, July 25th, 2013. U.S. stock market is closed. Well, the Dow Jones Industrial Average did roller coaster today, and it really didn't distinguish itself at all. Ended up closing up 13 points. Normally, on this kind of overall market action, we don't do very well. But we ended up having a great day. You remember we were down over $3,000 on our open trade equity yesterday, and I don't like negative open trade equity coming in, and I would have expected that we were not going to have a very good day today, particularly if I knew what was going to happen with the Dow. We ended up having a good day. I opened up the screen this morning on the open and read the equity, and it was like $8,000 or something positive. And I said, wait a minute, it's a negative $3,000 on the close yesterday. What happened? And then I started examining it, and there was one absolutely fabulous trade today that really made our day, and I'll show that to you when we look at the charts. But anyway, we ended up closing out $99 in the closed-out trades. That's nothing to write home about, but keep in mind we had negative over $3,000 negative yesterday, so that isn't bad. But we are carrying over $10,000 in open trade equity. Really have a nice, good trades going into tomorrow. I'm very optimistic about it, and as far as the Dow goes, I'm looking at this as kind of like a spring winding up. I wouldn't be surprised if we had a big move tomorrow. Maybe we got to wait till Monday, but the Dow is going to move here one of these days very soon. Anyway, let's take a look at those charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here. And you can see the last few days, we've just had a lot of up and down zigzag stuff going on. This morning was no exception at all. Market opened up and really tanked right off. First 15 minutes it was down quite a bit. Then it tried to rally a little and then get really down here. I think it was down 70, 80 points here. I'm not sure exactly, but started to rallied very strong, and maybe there was some news out. I didn't check that out. I'm not sure what happened there. And it got up slightly positive here, then went negative again, then went up and actually closed up 13 points. But definitely a roller coaster, and normally we don't like that kind of action. But as I say, we had a really good day, and I will show you just why that day was as good as it was. This is TRIP, which is Trip Advisor Incorporated. And yesterday, I talked to you about outlier trades, and I showed you an example. Unfortunately, we had an outlier trade that went against us yesterday, which does happen once in a while. Well, today's one of those outlier trades that definitely went for us, and it definitely made our day in TripAdvisor. And yesterday we just, this thing had been just flatlining along. We took this nice little breakout here, closed, nothing exceptional at all on the close. Then look at this thing. Look at this thing this morning. How this thing took off. When Trip got up here, it was up over $10,000. It pulled back a little. We're holding it now with about $9,000. Great trade. Absolutely fabulous. And this is why our system works. We take this little breakout here and look what happens. Excuse me. Anyway, Trip's up 17, 18%, something like that. We're long. We're holding it until tomorrow. Great day. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Friday.